All right, here we are in downtown Scranton, Pennsylvania, right?
Hi. Yes.
So we came here, we had to meet up with Pamela's family and do some things during spring break because Jack was over there in North Carolina visiting his sister and everything, so we decided to come here. One of the things we decided to do, come over to the marketplace in Steamtown is this big thing. And here they have the Electric City Aquarium, which they have a new rainforest, right? They have a new rainforest, and they also have a reptile den and all this stuff. So we came check it out. If it ends up being awesome, maybe me and Jack will come back this summer. Let's go in here. We're going to take you guys on a tour and check it out. So this is pretty cool because it's kind of like in this huge mall. It's pretty neat. Oh, we're in the mall. We might have to do some shopping too, huh? So this is pretty cool. Here's the beginning of it here. The way we found out about this place initially is we met up with these guys. Jack and I were over at the Ohio Fish Rescue. Big Rich and Josh actually have donated a lot of the fish that they have rescued and kept over the years to this aquarium. These guys actually came and have come, I believe, several times to OFR to pick guys up and bring them here. And we met them, and they're like, hey, if you're ever in the area, come and see us. Isn't this cool front, though? Pretty neat, huh? Hanging out with a great white shark over there. Let's go inside, check it out more. So, guys, right when you come in, you see some amazing tanks right away. Just so you know, guys, one of the coolest parts about this place, $21, cheaper than most aquariums I've ever been to, quite honestly. So we're gonna take you guys through, we're gonna show you some awesome stuff here. Some of the amazing tanks and cool exhibits they have here. Oh, this is a dart frog exhibit here.
I never knew they were the most poisonous animals on the earth.
Yes, they are.
I thought, like, snakes.
Oh, look at these guys. These are pretty big ones, too. Wow. Great little tanks. Look at these guys. What's up, dudes? All right, guys, you want to see something really cool. There's a Vietnamese mossy frog. That is actually a frog right in the middle of the screen there. Totally just looks like it blends in with the moss. Talk about camouflage, guys. How neat is that? That's actually a frog right there. Isn't that something? There's another one right here. Look at that. That is such a neat frog, isn't it? There's another one there up top. You can kind of make out the face on that one. Aren't those guys amazing? I love these kind of centerpiece tanks here with these frogs. These plants in the middle. There's some red-eyed tree frogs here. Look how cool these guys are.
Wow. I want one of these as a pet.
The infamous water moccasin. Look at that guy. These tanks, I'll tell you what, these are some of the nicest reptile tanks I've ever seen. These things are beautiful. Very, very detailed. There's a rattlesnake, black-tailed rattlesnake.
The study of
those
animals
guys.
is called toxicology. And it's amazing because
There's some tiger salamanders. How cool are they, huh? Big. Look how big that is. Wow. And there, of course, is the infamous ocelot. That's a great little tank. Look at that. Nice tanks here. Really nice tanks here. There's one of the biggest, baddest frogs in the world. African bullfrog. Look at that guy. I love under diet. Basically anything that it can fit in its mouth. Do not believe I've ever seen black and white spitting cobra. And it looks like his face is hiding there in the back, but wow, check out that pattern. Again, these enclosures are top notch here. Really, really, really nice. Lots of real plants, all that. And here we have a king cobra, guys. Look at this guy. Holy mackerel. He is huge. Look at the size of this guy. I mean, wowza. Look at this guy coming over this water. How cool is he? I mean, he is big. Holy mackerel. So check this out in here. They have a yellow banded dart frog. How amazing is he? And then they have the emerald tree boa in here with them. Totally not interested in eating him at all. There's a massive yellow anaconda. Look how flat that guy looks when he's on the ground like that. Humongous. Look at the enclosure here. Unbelievable. Wow. I am totally impressed with this place already. Beautiful reticulated python. I'm very impressed with these enclosures. They all have these huge water area pools. Everything's clean, really big, really impressive. I'm gonna go through in here, see some more stuff. There's birds and everything in here. There's a toucan right here. So cute. So cutie. So they have some red-handed tamarins in here. How cute is this guy? Huge enclosure with birds. Tamarins in here. I'm gonna try to back up. Let's get the size of this thing. I mean, look at this. Look at this. How cool is this enclosure, guys? So they have a eastern diamondback rattlesnake, and this is like an underground cave. And there's like an opening in the back right there that you can go in and go up or down, either underground. How cool is that? I don't think I've ever seen one like that before. That is magnificent. What do we got over here? A gaboon viper. Look at you, buddy. Holy mackerel. Man, they've got some cool snakes in there. Look at the size of this guy. This guy's head is almost as big as my hand. Look at that. Wow. Wow. Gaboon viper. Has the longest fangs of any snake. 2 inches in length. Well, this is one of the coolest snakes ever. Asian vine snake. Look at the head on this guy. Real skinny and long. How neat. Never seen one of those before. There's a couple of them in here. Look at this guy's face. Wow. He's hard to tell. He's so fast. Look at this guy. This guy's eating dinner right now, man, putting on a show. What's up, beautiful? So there's a Mexican alligator lizard. Again, these are really amazing. Like around tanks like this. Absolutely love these. Love them. Here's some prehensile tail skinks. Jack's uncle used to have a couple of these. They're pretty neat. They just got pretty big. They kind of grab you with their tail and hold on to you. They're pretty cool. How cool is this room? You can just sit down and hang out. Look at this guy. This crocodile over here. What's going on, buddy? He's got a scratch on his head. You got it. Way to go. I know how it is. I get those too. Handsome, handsome devil. Look at this guy looking at me like, I'll eat that camera on your arm with it, dude. Looks like Pamela found the puffer. She loves the puffers.
Can we take you home with us?
Look at this guy. You love the puffers, don't you, baby?
I do. Look how cute.
What's up, buddy?
Beautiful eyes. Cute. He's almost like Brutus. Very friendly.
nice, don't they? Look at those eyes. There's a wrasse. All kind of really beautiful fish in this area. Oh, there he is.
Is this saltwater?
Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah.
Cute little Finding Nemo.
Here's the infamous alligator snapping turtle. One of the most wicked animals on the planet right there. Wow, look at that guy. Millions of years old. Incredible animal. This guy's relatively small. It's about the size of a basketball. They get gigantic. What's up, dude? Always amazed by their eyes. Big starry eye like that. Open your mouth, dude. Wow. Absolutely incredible. There's an awesome ray tank. These like fishbone kind of thing here. Got rays, got horseshoe crabs. Beautiful rays right around here. Horseshoe crabs. One of these guys over here. Looks like it's party time for the horseshoe crabs right about now. All kind of fun stuff going on there. Really nice. Really nice thing. Now here we go, guys. Coming into the aquarium part. This first year we come in, got this huge bridge. How cool is this, huh? And we go under it, right to the shark tank. Check the shark tank out first. Wow. Yeah, nurse shark. Look at this huge nurse shark in the front. Holy mackerel. Leopard sharks, black tip sharks. Look at this huge nurse. What's up? Hello, nurse. What a beautiful tank. I like that it's nice and low for the kids. Look at these guys. If you've never seen the video that Jack and I did at the San Antonio Aquarium, we actually swam with black tip sharks, a little bit bigger than this one right here. One of the first videos we actually ever posted. I'll put a link in the description. It was an awesome experience. And we fed them and everything. It was a really neat video and a really cool experience. Look at these beauties. Wow. Yeah, the one we were with was probably about that size. Not too big, but big enough. What a beautiful shark tank. I love this tank. So I'm just going to come back first and get this whole bridge tank thing in. Two huge cylinder tanks. You got unicorn fish, angels, all kind of things here. Triggers. And then just kind of cross over the top here. These big unicorn guys passing through here. Right over your head. Little unicorn there. Wow, look at this. Look at that guy. Look at that big beauty. Look at that. And it comes down into this side. Big, huge coral middle. Very big. Look how huge that is. Wow. Beauty. So this is the tank that they got some fish from Fish Rescue for. Some iridescent sharks in here. And all
What is this one? This white one? It's like
That is a platinum gar.
something out of Edward Scissors hands.
Me and Jack actually swam with those at the Fish Rescue Pond. They're quite a bit bigger than that one actually now. Beautiful, beautiful guys. There's a big iridescent. tons of huge. There's a red-tailed cat. There are huge plecos in here and stuff. There's some rays, there's some other rays. Wow. And there are some, of course, Arapima, gars. Now there is a fly river turtle in there. I'm guessing they're new, so they're in a little net for now, kind of acclimating. There's a huge fly river. I'm not sure where it went. Here it comes. Oh, it's in the back over there. Really, really big one. Let's see if I can get him. Alright, here he comes. Pretty huge fly river here. Probably the biggest I've ever seen. Wowza. Really cool guy. Look at him just flying along there. You see he's quite a bit bigger than the one in the net. And that one in the net is pretty big. What a beauty. Now this arowana is probably one of the biggest arowanas I've just about ever seen. I think there was a sign up there that said it was almost 5 feet long. It is a gigantic. I mean, he dwarfs that gar. Look at that guy. That's probably the biggest one I've ever seen. Whoop, there goes the ray. Look at this. So look at this huge moray eel. And look at this wrasse. This little cleaner wrasse is going in this dude's mouth and cleaning it. And he's just like, yep, I'm here for my dental checkup. Isn't that incredible? It's so cool that they know that little dude is helping them. Where'd he go? He's on the other side. You're just waiting for him to like close his mouth and swallow him, but he's like, no, that's not what I eat. That's my dentist. Look how big this eel is. I mean, he barely fits out of that hole. What a giant. Where'd that wrasse go? Oh, he's going on the side. I think he wants him to go in his mouth. He's like cleaning the side. Look at that little dude. Isn't he cool? That is so neat. He's like, I'm just here for my 6-month checkup, man. That is a big eel. Of course, we got to see the clowns, right? Got to see the clowns. It's funny, every kid that comes up to the tent, there's Nemo. That movie, I'll tell you what, put clownfish on the map, man. They were already awesome, but there ain't a kid in the world doesn't know Nemo, right? What a great movie. That's a great tank. It's like a double boat on either side. There's some clowns. What's up, guys? This thing's weird. I think that's a tomato clown, maybe? Look at this little lovely guy. This tank has some really cool anemones in it. Look at this guy right here. He's like, what's up, dudes? Yeah, really colorful. Look at this one here. Look at how green that one is. Really, really neat. There's Joey's. Nice little jelly tank, not huge or anything. Of course, they got the changing color, but very nice tank. Swimming around with all different sizes in there. I like to see these little ones.
There's a baby.
There's a baby one
There's
right
a tiny
there.
baby one back there.
There's a frogfish. There's an awesome piranha tank. Little guys, but really beautiful. Really nice job with the moss and stuff on this tank. Like I said, not a incredibly massive aquarium, but really nice attention to detail and beautiful exhibits and beautiful tanks. Really, really neat. All right, so check this cool tank out. We got some shark eggs here and baby sharks. Looks like a baby. Not sure if it's like a banded shark, possibly maybe leopard sharks in here. Not exactly sure. See, they have kind of different markings sometimes when they're babies, but super neat. They have it lit up so you can kind of see through them. I saw this one moving a little bit before. How cool is that? Some guys in here kind of keeping it clean and stuff for them. Cool are you? Awesome cichlid tank right here. Really like the background of this tank. Would love to do a background like this. Isn't that neat? That is really cool. There's a big Synodontis right there in the back there. Mixed in with these guys. Really nice tank. The fairies in here. Look at those tails, huh? Love that background, man. That is awesome. Oh, there's a big royal pleco. It's a little bit like Riot. Kind of see him there from the side. Looks a lot like Riot, actually. Our big watermelon. Oh, look at this tiny little pea puffer in there. Didn't even notice him. What's up, dudes? Those little guys coming up. There's tons of them in there. I didn't even notice them. They're so small. They come up to the front and like magnified. That's a really neat tank. Must be changing some people around on that one. Change some things around. But yeah, look at that big watermelon guy. Looks just like ours pretty much. That's a devil there. Look at this tank. Isn't that something? Huge. All a little tetra in there. Really nice moss and driftwood build here. It's like cardinals up here. Cardinals and neons, tetra. Oh, look at this guy. Big, huge eel. That looks like an electric eel. Not actually sure, but I think that's where it is. There's no sign here. This must be a new exhibit or something. I'm sure that's an electric eel, though. Wow, it's a big one. Look at all those neons in there. Super cool tank. Yep, it is an electric eel. I didn't see this little sign down here in the corner. Yeah, that's really, really nice. Really impressive tank. That thing's pretty long. I venture to say he's about 5 feet long.
Is this your style?
That's pretty cool.
Turtle.
Yeah, they do have a lot of nice stuff here. You gonna get this one? All right, guys, so there we go. Totally awesome aquarium. Again, it's kind of cool because it's like in a mall. Not incredibly massive by any means, but tons of great stuff. Beautiful tanks. Really nice gift shop. I mean, very impressive. And then, of course, lots of places to go eat afterward and stuff like that. So we're probably gonna go smash. Pamela's in there shopping and looking for stuff. Definitely come and check this out. We'll put links in the description. If you're anywhere in the area, definitely come check it out. I mean, it's 20 bucks. It is pretty low compared to a lot of big aquariums and stuff like that, but still had a lot of awesome stuff. And again, you got the whole mall. You go shopping afterward or whatever, get some grub. We'll see you next time, guys. Take care. Have an awesome day.